Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure legal research with Westlaw, full guide step by step clearly. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Westlaw website. Log in using your credentials to access your Westlaw account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the home page layout. Locate the search bar, which is typically at the top of the page. Decide on the type of legal research you want to conduct. If you are looking for case law, click on the Cases tab. For statutes and regulations, select the Statutes and Regulations option. When searching for secondary sources, choose the Secondary Sources tab. Enter your search terms in the search bar. Use quotation marks for exact phrases, and try different keywords to refine your results. Select any filters available to narrow down your search results by jurisdiction, date, or type. Review the search results displayed on the page. Click on any relevant case or document title to view its full text. Use the advanced search options if you need more precise control over your query. Explore the tabs within a document for additional information like citations, history, and notes. Take advantage of the Key Cite feature to check the citing references of the case. Save any crucial documents or bookmarks for future reference. Utilize the Alerts feature to stay updated on specific topics or cases. To access legal forms, navigate to the Forms section available on the home page. Input relevant criteria again in the search bar under Forms. Follow any prompts to customize and generate legal documents as needed. Review your projects or documents in the My Westlaw section for quick access. Take the time to explore additional resources like tutorials or webinars offered by Westlaw. Research thoroughly using the multiple resources available for comprehensive results. Once you've completed your research project, review and organize your findings clearly. Consider utilizing citation tools provided by Westlaw for proper referencing. Finally, make notes on your findings for future reference or sharing with colleagues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.